In today's video, I am going to teach you how to auto-sort in Google Sheets. This is a simple way to keep your data in order, especially when you are working with lists like names, items, or tasks. Sorting helps you scan information faster and keeps everything consistent as your sheet grows. Start by opening your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Any sheet will work as long as it has data entered in rows and columns. Before you sort, take a moment to confirm which column you want to sort by. In this example, we will sort by column A, which is commonly the first column in a table. Next, highlight the data you want to sort. Click and drag to select the range, or click a cell and extend the selection so it includes everything that should move together. This part is important, because sorting only one column can separate values that belong in the same row. For example, if you have names in column A and matching details in columns B and C, you want all of those columns selected so each row stays intact. Once your range is highlighted, go to the top menu and click Data. This menu contains the sorting tools you need. In the Data menu, find the option for sorting. In many cases, you will see sorting options that reference the column letter. Now choose Sort Sheet by column A to Z. This will sort your sheet in ascending order based on the values in column A. Text will be sorted alphabetically, and numbers will be sorted from smallest to largest. After you click it, you should see your rows rearrange immediately. When the sort is complete, click back on the highlighted area again. This final click helps you refocus on your dataset, so you can quickly review the results and confirm everything stayed together correctly across the row. A quick tip as you review: scan a couple of rows and make sure related values are still aligned. If something looks off, it usually means the original highlight did not include all the necessary columns. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.